Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to edit your Instagram post using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So for example, that you want to edit your caption on your Instagram post and you don't know how to do it, you are on the right video. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your Instagram and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now just go ahead and click on the post that you want to edit. So now as you can see here, my caption is sample. So to edit that, just go ahead and click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of the post and click on edit. So now you can just go ahead and edit the caption, tag people, and once you've done that, just go ahead and click on done at the upper right corner of your screen. So as you can see that the caption is now work. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.